BBQ Sundae, the ultimate grill delight. Now, I'm pretty dedicated to today's video, right? We got Tropical Storm Debbie. I don't know if you can see the water here, but it's happening right now as I do this cook. And what I got here is a redneck wine glass. What I'm gonna do is put a little barbecue sauce down in the bottom of my redneck wine glass. Now this is what I'm using, right? It's got the monk fruit in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's keto friendly. And then we're gonna come in with some of that pulled pork, right? Get a nice layer down there. Now let's give it some crunch. Now I'm coming in with some coleslaw right on top of that pulled pork. And I'm sorry if that's loud, that fork hitting that glass. I'm going to get a nice layer of this coleslaw. And then to get that coleslaw and that pulled pork all melted together, or married together, that's what I should say. A little bit more of that barbecue sauce. Now coming back with some more of that pulled pork on top of this coleslaw. Nice layer here, right? I'm guessing I had, oh sorry guys, that loud sound, sorry. I'm guessing I had a cup to a cup and a half, right? Now what I want to do, push that down like so. And then I'm going to come back with that same barbecue sauce again. Just a little there. Now this final step, we're going to use some mashed potatoes, right? Not very keto. I got to have this. They're heated up right here. Just a little of those mashed potatoes on top. Just like an ice cream sundae, right? It doesn't just give texture, but it gives a contrast in flavors. Now I made a bit of a mess. Just going to try to make it look a little nice here. This mashed potato all around the top. In fact, what I'm going to do is add just a little bit more. Just like that. And again, all I'm doing now is trying to get the right presentation with these mashed potatoes. If you had an ice cream scoop, that would be awesome, right? Now I'm going to come in again with just a little bit more. That barbecue sauce is going to look like chocolate syrup, right? And then in my case, I like a little spice. You guys know that. I'm coming in with this mezzogichete, or however you say it, hot sauce, just a little bit. And then we'll finish it off with a cherry. In this case, a cherry tomato. It's time to give a taste test to this barbecue sundae. All right, this is gonna be messy. You saw me, I filled it all up. I'm gonna try to get way down in there. Take a bite. Here we go. Those are all, that's all things barbecue right there. Hey, thanks so much for watching.